Hello guys, we've got a situation in front of us of a truck that has bellied up on the roundabout. It's got themselves stuck. I don't think we're going this way for a while somehow. Yeah. Oh, bang! There goes some. That shook them around a bit, didn't it?
Yeah, he was trying to dislodge it.
Yeah.
He just got worse.
Yeah, he just got it worse. Where's the towies? We'll go around and we'll let them sort it out themselves. But yeah, it's going to be a little bit of money if any of those cars fall off of there. Right, catch you next time.